Hello friends, I am Rajinder Jatana. I have come up with 20 marks ka khajana. Question on MCQ, VSA, TF and fillers. Today I have specially brought this for class 10th. Now look here. Let us start the first question. These are VSA questions for class 10th. Find the value of A, for which point P A by 3, 2 is the midpoint of line joining the points Q minus 5, 4 and R minus 1, 0. So we have to find the value of A. Midpoint is given and the line joining the 2 points, these 2 points are also given. So I have given the explanation here. Now look here. We have to find the value of A. Point Q is minus 5, 4. Point R is minus 1, 0. And the midpoint given to you is P A by 3, 2. Let us apply the midpoint formula. You know that midpoint formula is x1 plus x2 divided by 2. So here the midpoint is given to you A by 3. X is given as A by 3. Equate it. On equating, what we will find? A by 3 is equal to minus 5 plus minus 1 by 2. That is minus 3. A is minus 9. Very easy. Now let us go to second question. Find the value of K, for which one root of the quadratic equation kx square minus 14x plus 8 is equal to 0 is 2. One of the roots is 2. It means value of x is 2. Now let us put the value of x is equal to 2. Here 2 is one of the two roots. So let us put x is equal to 2. It is kx square minus 14x plus 8. x की जगह 2 लगा दीजिए. It will be k into 2 square minus 14 into 2 plus 8 equal to 0. So the equation becomes 4k is equal to 20, k is 5. Very simple. Question is done. Now question number 3. Question number 3 is write the value of cot square theta minus 1 over sin square theta. Now you know cot square theta minus 1 over sin square. 1 over sin square is cosecant square. 1 over sin square is cosecant square. Look here. 1 over sin square is cosecant square. So take minus common. It is minus cosecant square theta minus cot square theta. That is 1. So it is minus 1. The result will be minus 1. You already know there are 3 basic identities. SC, sin square theta plus cos square theta is equal to 1. ST, secant square theta minus tan square theta is equal to 1. CC, common class, cosecant square theta minus cot square theta is equal to 1. Sabka Malik 1. Oh no, look here. Next question. Now it is question on AP. In nth term of an AP, if nth term of an AP is Tn is equal to 2n plus 1, what is the value of, what is the sum of its first 3 terms? So put n equal to 1, you get 3. Put n equal to 2, you get 5. put n equal to 3, you get 7. So T1 is your 3, T2 is 5, T3 is 7. Add this because we want to find the sum. So T1 plus T2 plus T3, so sum of 3 terms is 15. Now let us go further. Sin theta is equal to cos theta. Then find the value of 2 tan theta plus cos square theta. Look here. Sin theta is equal to cos theta. And it can be written as sin theta is equal to cos theta into 1. So cos theta multiply हो रहा है 1 से, लेफ्ट साइड ले चलो. Sin theta और cos theta, that is tangent theta is equal to 1, theta is 45 degree. So put the value of theta is equal to 45. So 2 tan theta plus cos square theta. Tan theta देखिए पहले से ही 1 निकाल लिया हमने. So this will be 1. So 2 into 1 and cos 45 is 1 over root 2. इसका square हो रहा है. So do the square. So cos square 45 will be 1 over 2. So 2 plus 1 over 2 is your 5 by 2. Let us go to the next one. Question number 6. In this figure, AD is equal to 6 centimeter, DB is equal to 9 centimeter, AE is equal to 8 centimeter, EC is equal to 12 centimeter. अब देखिए, angle is given to you. Angle is given to you. D is given to you 48 degree. You have to find the value of x. AD over DB. AD over DB is 6 over 9. That is 2 over 3. AE over AC is 8 by 12. It is again 2 by 3. First and 2 are equal. Equating them, what do we find? AD over DB is equal to AE over EC. So this part over this part is equal to this part over this part. This is possible when this line is parallel to this line. So we know that when two lines are in proportion, then the third line is, then this line, if this line divides these two lines in proportion, then this is parallel to the third line. So if it is parallel, then this will be the corresponding angle. This will be also 48. Now let us go to the next question. The HCF and LCM of two numbers are 9 and 360 respectively. If one of the numbers is 45 and the other number, find the other number. You have to find the other number. Now, what has been given to you, you write it here. HCF is 9. LCM is 360. They are given here. HCF and LCM are 9 and 360. They are given. Now, first number is 45. We have to find the second number. We know this formula. First number into second number is equal to LCM into HCF. Just put it and you will get the second number as 72. Answer is 72. That's all. हो गया question. Next, question number 8. Find the 20th term from the last of the AP 3, 8, 13, so on to 53. अब आपको लास्ट से निकालना है. इस चीज़ को दिमाग में रखिए कि AP का जब भी हम कोई भी टर्म निकालते हैं या सम निकालते हैं वो फ्रॉम बिगनिंग होता है. तो इसलिए ये देखिए, आप इस AP को मैंने थोड़ा सा ऐसे लिख दिया है. दिस इज 3, 8, 13 to 53. 3, 8, 13. ठीक है. सो अब 5 ये बढ़ रहा है. कॉमन डिफरेंस इज 5, और अगर देखेंगे तो लास्ट से 5 कम करना चालू कर दीजिए, उल्टी डायरेक्शन में आ जाइए। 253, 248 एंड 243, ये लास्ट वाली टर्म्स बन जाएंगी, ये वाले लास्ट वाली टर्म्स बन गई। नाउ यू वांट टू फाइंड फ्रॉम दी एंड, सो उल्टा लिख दीजिए, पूरी सीरीज को आप फ्लिक कर दीजिए। सो नाउ द न्यू सीरीज विल बिकम in the reverse order, because we have to find the 20th term from the last, आपको पता करना है। सो इसलिए ये फर्स्ट टर्म बन जाएगी, उल्टा लिख देंगे, दिस इज द फर्स्ट टर्म नाउ, सेकेंड टर्म दिस, एंड लास्ट टर्म हैज बिकम 5। सो कॉमन डिफरेंस इज -5 है। देखिए रिड्यूस हो रही है, जो AP सीरीज है कम होती जा रही है, तो D हमेशा नेगेटिव होता है। D is here -5, A is 253, and we want to find T20. T20, as you know, A plus 19D. D की वैल्यू -5 लगा दीजिए, the answer will come 158. Thank you very much. I hope you have understood what I wanted to convey. Please go on watching my videos. You will find them very useful, and you will learn many concepts. Thank you very much. Like the videos and share them with your friends and subscribe. Thank you very much. God bless you. Bye.